Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to update Remitly app. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Play Store on your device. You can see over here, Play Store has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now, you'll be led to the search interface. Simply tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now over here, what you have to do is type in Remitly. Now you'll be able to see the results over here. You'll be able to find the application for Remitly. What you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. So updating the Remitly application is very important to fix the bugs. Also, it is important for new features and smoother performance. So if you want to update the Remitly app in this interface, you'll be able to find the option for update. Since my application is already updated, over here I'm being able to see the option for open. But if you're being able to see the option for update, simply tap on it. After that, wait for a while and your application will be updated and you'll be able to use the latest version of the application. So that is how you update Remitly app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.